But when you think about that, all of a sudden, Australia's facing this housing crisis. We've got a lot of habitable land, but it happens to be flood prone.
Yeah.
So if you've got a tiny home
Yeah.
that you can basically live down beside the river for 9.999
% of
years
the time, yeah, before
out
a
of
flood
10,
happens, yeah.
and for 1 week out of that 10 years, you have to drag it up the hill and live up the hill.
And go and park on the side of the road up there, yeah.
And then bring it back down when the floodwaters go down and continue on your existence. All of a sudden, you've activated all this land that is a real headache for the planners at the moment because they can't allow you to build any sort of